Today's video is going to be very short. It's very short. A couple of things and we're finished. Right on. I made it. I wanted it to look kind of natural outside, so I put an underglaze, brown dotted underglaze, and I love it. What do you think?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Beautiful, thank you. I said short, I meant it. Now, at first, when I did it, I don't know if you guys remember from the other videos, the red cups that Eran made turned out like something happened with the glaze. I thought maybe it was something, I don't know, it was spoiled or whatever, but that it's the same glaze. Anyway, it is what it is. I like it. That's part of my set. I like this black clay with this glaze. Alright, that's gonna be the last one. I don't know why. I don't know what the hell this is. I have no idea how come it didn't burn or what it is. Strange. This is something that maybe I can understand. I don't know. Sometimes I don't. Those little white dots.
Squeeze it out like a blackhead.
Like a blackhead, yes. Strange. Well, the outside is nice. I like this. It's antique pink. I like it. And that's another one. I have one more plate to make, so it's gonna be. Would you look at that? It's a crack. Why did it happen? I don't know. You see the crack?
No.
Oh, I see. It's a tiny one. I mean, it's not so bad, but I see it. It's not supposed to go all the way in because it's supposed to be like, you know, like a set, but obviously it's...
That's it?
That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.